If your installation requires a 36-inch wide platform, you'll have to put 3 beams together with 4 cross braces. So to start, you do this the same way as you do the 18-inch wide. You take your cross brace with the clip facing down and the beam upside down, slide it into the slots on the legs. And again, on the other end, you want the clips to be facing the same way. And I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to slide the next beam leg into the cross brace. Next, I'm going to grab another cross brace. And I'm going to lift up this leg beam assembly here and just slide it in like that. Come to the other end and do the same thing. Now I'm going to start installing my tiles. However, if you were going to install anchors or feet on it, this is the time that you would do that. You can see one of the videos on that. So again, we're going to start by placing this spot right here up against the lock screw at the end of the beam. So do that on both sides. Put it in a 45, because again, you cannot install these flat, and then just rock it forward. We're going to just go down the line. And again, I like to take the last one and start it from the opposite end. If you can use a mallet to scoot the tiles over if you can't get it in. Looks like this one's probably going to need a little bit of movement. And then put that last one in. And we have a completed platform.